Guys, we are going to make some gifts for Christmas. I'm super excited to do this. So I'm going to be using JDICTION ResinCrete. You guys know that I have partnered with them before, and I really love this product. It is by far my favorite product to use when making crafts that are ceramic or keepsake. You get everything you need in the box or the craft kit. And I'll link all the information if you want to order one of these. I'll link all the information in the description box below. You can find them on Amazon. So you get your ResinCrete, you get your mixing cups, your mixing tool, you get all the molds that you'll need. And I'm going to go through the molds after I open them. They're really cool. And then you also get the paints and a paint tray to use as well, with different brushes, not just one brush, but the kids have a few to choose from. So this is a perfect kid-friendly craft. Comes with picture instructions, word instructions, and also a handy-dandy little chart that helps mix colors from this palette if you wanted to have different colors that are not already in that. All right, so the molds are a 3D shelf sitter, snowman, sitter tree, little trivet of a Christmas tree, ornaments. The mold does all the work for you. It even has the holder, the place holder for the string. So you'll pop it out, the hole will already be there. It's perfect. There's a snowman, a Santa, a deer, a tree, bells, a Merry Christmas, and a gingerbread. I cannot wait to make the gingerbread man. This is also a Santa. All right, so I've emptied 300 grams of the ResinCrete, so one bag. I've already put it in here, and then I'm going to mix it with some water, the 90 milliliters. I'm going to mix vigorously for about 90 seconds, 60 to 90 seconds, and then we'll be ready to pour. Just mix until you have no bubbles or lumps, and it's easy to pour. All right, so let's get ready to pour. It only takes 30 minutes to set, so this is a super fast project. Here they are. We're going to wait 30 minutes and then we are going to paint them. Removing them from the molds is super easy. You just peel the molds away. They are very durable after they are cured, and they are water resistant, heat safe, and food safe. They are safe for the environment because they are made of all natural ingredients and minerals, and they are extremely durable. I don't know why I'm always surprised at how beautiful the products turn out from the ResinCrete, but I always am in awe. They are so beautiful, and I could leave them just as they are and have a real modern, sleek, neutral look, but I'm going to be painting them instead. I really wanted the star on the tree and the bell that the snowman is holding to pop. So instead of painting them, I'm going to be using a paste to kind of gold them and give them a gold texture and finish. I just had a lot of fun playing around with these and different techniques and different paint techniques and paints. So I used my fingers to to kind of rub across the raised areas to give a distressed look. I also used the paint to settle in the grooves and wipe it away so it really set in just the grooves of the ornament, and that really turned out well. Even if you're someone who thinks that they can't paint at all and that your paintings turn out horribly, this is kind of foolproof because you have raised areas and guidelines to help keep the paint where you want it. And here are the finished products. I want to thank JDICTION for partnering with me today in this video. All the information for their product is linked below. It's the Amazon link and a discount code for 20% off this particular kit. How I was able to personalize the stockings this year with an ornament that was handmade by me so the kids and I and art can keep them forever.